and here is Twitter, and you can see the cycle analysis in there. So we'll just look at the rhythms carefully in here so that you can get a sense for what I look at. We look for repeating cycle lengths. These cycle brackets on the bottom give us a sense for important lows as they are made in a rhythmic motion, and it's hard to argue with the rhythms that you see right over there, as each of those point to an important low. And that's how you measure cycles from low to low. And what we look at are multiple time frames and cycle configurations, support resistance zones, in order to give us a sense for market condition, entries for longs or entries for shorts. In this case right over here, you can see each of these time periods where there was a correction and a new rally beginning. You could see it exactly followed those patterns right in here, every one of them. Now, when it doesn't rally very far and then breaks the low as you did right over here, that gives you a negative pattern. When it rallies really far and then only has a little time to correct, it gives you a positive pattern, and then it goes up. So you get a ton of information off of this style of analysis. The low was due right over here. It moves up very sharply. Their revenues missed, but their users jumped, and it's all about politics. I mean, with Donald Trump out there tweeting and people watching that and people watching other things in politics and people commenting all over the place on their political opinions, it's stimulated things there, and it's probably not going away. This is a resistance zone, so this area right over here, the top of it is around 1707. The moving average right over here is about 1730. That's about the best we see going on right now, and you see our projection in here. If somebody doesn't come and buy them out, well, it's likely to do something like we have projected in here, not be able to get very far past that resistance zone. So that's a look at Twitter, and a 14% gainer, the best of the week.
Well, I'm going to sit and I'm going to do a steady show.